Ever lost an important file? Had to manually copy paste data? What if Python could handle everything for you automatically? Let's dive right into the video. File handling matters. We use files every day, and think about it. If we can use it effortlessly, it makes our life easier, and Python does it. So let me show you how to open a file in Python. File, we'll use the open function, then we'll write our file's name txt, the comma, and we'll write the mode in quotes. Then we take the contents of the file using read function. Okay, now let's print this content. Yes, now let's close this file. See, it prints the content of the file and then it closes the file. Okay, but there's another way which is faster and the Pythonic way. Let me show you with here with let's take this as file. Print. See, so no more file.close function required. It just automatically closes it and it prints the content of the files. Now, how to write something to a file? So in order to write something to a file, let's create a new file and add something to it. So let me show you how. We'll copy this. Okay, we'll make a new file. Okay, new file. Then we write the mode w, and in place of read, let's use the function write. File dot write. Okay, and let's write I am a coder. Boom. Okay, so we did a mistake here. Let's check that out. It didn't create a file. Oh, we printed the content. Yeah, it created a file, right? Let me check here. Yes, the new file. I'm a coder. Okay, now more, let's print it. Okay, let's read the file. Hmm, let's read it. Print file dot read. I'm a coder. Done. So now let's come to appending data instead of overwriting. So instead of creating a new file, we can just append data to the existing file. So let's append something to our new file that we have created here. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, let's change the mode to append. Now in order to append something to a file, let's run you let's basically everything is same, just we need to change the mode of it. So new line added. Done. So okay, let's now new line added. See, okay, now coming to reading large files efficiently. Okay, so we have a big data file here. Let's show it here. Now in order to read this big data file, which is so large, but Python can do it efficiently. It can read it faster and it can give you the results in minutes, in seconds. So let's do that. Open its big data.txt, then read as file. Now, in order to read that line by line, let's use the loop function line by line. Okay, let's print line dot strip. Okay, so the line by line, line in file. Yeah, so this strip function will remove the extra new lines and it will just give one line at a time. So let's do that. Yeah, one line at a time. Okay, now coming to the topic, working with CSV files. You know, every businesses deals with CSV, and in order to deal with them, we can use Python. So let's read one CSV file in Python. I've written one CSV file, I think. Yeah, mental. Yes. So this is a CSV file. Okay, let's put it here in model 6. You cannot understand what it has written. Okay, so in order to understand what it is, let's read one. Okay, so firstly we have to import CSV now with open mental data analysis. Now we have to read it as file again. Now reader is equals to CSV dot reader. Okay, file. It will read the CSV file and store its contents in the reader. Now we'll print the rows one by one from the reader. See, now it shows a list of all the rows and in an efficient way. This is so messy, this is efficient. Do you want to write to a CSV file? Same process. Okay, let's copy this. Let's write here. Okay, now we'll create another output.csv. Let's change the mode to W, and in order to create new lines we need to add a line variable, new line. Okay, is equals to double quotes as files. Now in order to write, let's use the write function, csv dot writer file. There we use write function, in csv we use writer function. Now writer dot writer row should be name comma age. We're writing the rows names first, then we are doing it for the name Alice. Let's try 21. Okay, now let's delete that. Now done this. So we have created a output CSV. See, name age Alice. Okay, now I have a challenge for you. Okay, create a Python script. Create a Python script that can do read, write, okay, and append and saves the final content into a new file. Okay, saves the final content into a new file. So this is the challenge for you guys. That's a wrap up of this video. Now you learn about file handling and how to read, append, write, and also handle CSV like a pro. So next up, we'll be learning about module 7, which is object oriented programming in Python. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a file handling mastered in the comments. This is your VKPXR signing out.